In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change cover photo on Airbnb listing. Your cover photo is the first thing guests see in search results and at the top of your listing. So choosing the right image can make a real difference. I'll walk you through the exact path to update it and share a few quick tips to help that photo stand out. Start by going to the Airbnb website and logging into your account. Once you're in, switch to hosting. You'll find the hosting view in the main menu. This takes you from the traveler side of Airbnb into the tools you use to manage your property. From there, click Listings. If you host more than one place, select the property you want to edit. Take a moment to confirm you're opening the correct listing so you don't accidentally change the wrong one. Next, open Photos or Photo Tour depending on what your dashboard calls it. This is where all of your listing images live. You'll see your current cover photo at the first position, followed by the rest of your gallery. Now choose the image you want to use as the new cover. Hover your cursor over that photo. A small menu or button should appear that lets you make changes. Click Make Cover Photo. On some versions, you might also have a reorder option. If that appears, simply drag your chosen image to the very first spot in the lineup. Either action sets that picture as the hero image guests will see first. When you're done, click Save. Even if some changes auto-save, it's always a good idea to hit Save to lock everything in. After saving, your listing thumbnail will update to reflect the new cover. It may take a short time to appear everywhere across the site and app, but you should see the change on your listing page right away. A few tips as you choose. Pick a bright, high-resolution, horizontally oriented image that clearly shows the space guests will experience when they arrive. Natural light looks great, tidy surfaces help the room feel larger, and a straight-on angle is usually more inviting than a steep diagonal. If you're deciding between similar shots, look closely at what's visible in the edges and background. Small distractions can pull attention away from the best features. Remember, the cover often crops slightly in search results, so make sure the main subject sits comfortably in the center. That's it. You've switched to hosting, opened your listing, gone to Photos or Photo Tour, selected your favorite image, set it as the cover, or dragged it to first position, and saved your changes. Enjoy the refreshed look of your listing, and good luck attracting more clicks and bookings with your new cover photo.